Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the Karnataka CET 2016 question paper. Okay. Now let me move on to the first question. That is the set A has 4 elements and the set B has 5 elements. Then number of injective function, otherwise injective mapping, that can be defined from A to B is number of injective mapping, otherwise number of 1 functions we can define from set A to B. Here that is a map from A to B. We have to define injective mapping means the number of element in the B must be greater than number of element in the A. That is if I take a number of element in B is an n, must and should greater than number of element in A. Okay. Then here what is the formula to find number of injective is an number of injective or number of injective, or what is the formula? N P M. Okay, N P M. Then how many element in the set B has? 5 element. 5 P 4. That is nothing but a 5 factorial by 5 minus 4 factorial. 5 minus 4 factorial nothing but a 1 factorial. That is nothing but an 1. 5 into that 5 factorial is an 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is a 5 4s are 20, 23 is a 60, 62 is a 120. The 120 injective mapping can be defined from set A to B. A has 4 element, B has 5 element. Okay, understood? Okay, let me move on to the next question. Okay, now second, let function f from odd to odd, real number to real number, be defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 6, which is bijective, which is both 1 1 and onto, which is a bijective mapping. Then f inverse x is given by, already they given it is a bijective function. Bijective function nothing but a inverse is exist. Okay, that's why find the what is an inverse of that function, that is f inverse of x. Now I will take a function that is a f of x, otherwise y is equal to 2x plus 6. Okay, now I will simplify this one. Y minus 6 is equal to 2x, otherwise by 2 is equal to x. Okay, now this y minus 6 by 2, this is in terms of f inverse of y. X is nothing but f inverse of y. Now they are asking in the function in terms of what? X. That's why x minus 6 by 2 nothing but a f inverse of x. Now I will simplify this one. X by 2 minus 6 by 2 nothing but 3. It is a f inverse of x is equal to x by 2 minus 3. That is the first option. Okay, here sorry, here 120, here 120 element. Okay, now this is f inverse of x is f inverse of x is equal to x by 2 minus 3. That is the first option is right. First option is right option. Okay, now let me move on to the next one. Now third question, the value of sine inverse of cos 53 pi by 5 is, the value of this one is, this inverse trigonometric function is. Now I will take this only, that is a cos 53 pi by 5. This I can write it as a cos 53, I can write is a 10 pi plus 3 pi by 5. 10 pi is a 50, 50 pi plus 3, 53 pi by 5. I can write it. Now this one, cos 10 pi plus 3 pi by 5, cos after the interval of 2 pi, the cos and sine becomes same. That's why this is a sine, cos 3 pi by 5. Now this cos 3 pi, I will write it as an cos pi minus 2 pi by 5. Can I write this one? 5 into pi, 5 pi minus 2 pi, 3 pi by 5, it will get it. That cos 3 pi by 5 I can write as an cos pi minus 2 pi by 5. Now cos 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta means second quadrant, cos become negative, minus cos 2 pi by 5. Here pi is there, pi 2 pi 3 pi, the cos become cos only, but 180 minus theta means second quadrant. In the second quadrant sine and cosecant is on positive, but the cos is negative, that's why minus cos 2 pi by 5. This I can write it as an minus sine 90 minus theta 2 5 by 5. Can I write? Sine become cos, cos becomes sine here. Can I this minus as it is? 90 minus theta, complementary angle of cos is an sine 90 minus theta. Now this become minus sine pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 5. If you take an LCM, if you simplify, you will get a pi by 10 minus sine pi by 10. Here this one I can write it as an sine minus pi by 10. Okay na? Sine minus theta is a minus sine theta, you know that one. Now I will fill here. What is the sine inverse of value of this one is a sine minus pi by 10, that become minus pi by 10. The value of this inverse trigonometric function is an minus pi by 10. This is an option is right. Okay na? Understood? Now let me move on to the next one. Fourth one, if t tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi, then x is equal to, what is an x value we should find. Now 3 tan inverse x plus this cot inverse x is, can write it as an pi by 2 minus tan inverse x, can we write, is equal to pi, because tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2, then cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse x, you can write it. Now 3 tan inverse x minus tan inverse x is a 2 tan inverse x, as it is pi, this pi by 2 will go to the side, minus pi by 2, that is an 2 tan inverse x is equal to pi minus pi by 2, 180 minus 90, 90, that is a tan inverse x is equal to 2 will go to that side, pi by 4. Pi by 4 means, what is the value of x? 1. Tan pi by 4, x is equal to tan pi by 4, x value is 1, that is an option second. Okay, let me move on to next one. Okay, now next question, fifth one, the simplified form of an tan inverse x by y minus tan inverse x minus y by x plus 5. Okay, now tan inverse x by y as it is minus, here this I will make some simplification, divide each term by the x, that is a 1, y by x, 1 plus y by x. Okay, now this one we can write it as a tan inverse x by y minus this is an tan inverse A minus tan inverse B formula, that is a tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse y by x. Okay, now tan inverse x by y, tan inverse x by y, this become minus tan inverse 1 value is an minus pi by 4. This is a tan inverse y by x. Okay, now this implies tan inverse x by y minus pi by 4. This is a minus, oh sorry, minus into minus plus. This is a tan inverse y by x. Can I write cot inverse x by y? This is the inverse. Now tan inverse x by y plus cot inverse x by y, it is a pi by 2 minus pi by 4. It become pi by 4. 90 minus 45 is a 45, that is a pi by 4. Which option? Pi by 4. Okay. Thank you. Let me continue in the next class.